Today we're going to do a hot pot dinner, which is where you get all of your food raw and you dip it into boiling oil and water filled with spices of varying levels of burn your mouth off. The spices are so intense that they're actually making us cough just being in here. Are you sure you want to have spicy? We have broccoli, we have lotus root, we have potatoes, and we have beef. This is our sauce, I see. It's making me cough too. Maybe put one of each. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, Justin. He has a piece of death meat from the fireside. You put it in the dipping sauce. This good? How bad is it? Oh god. And you're good? Alright. It's a good amount of spice. Alright, good deal, good deal. With the sauce on it. Take it off, put it in here, stick over here. Kind of dip it in the sauce a little bit. It's spicy. The broccoli soaked up a lot more of the pepper than the meat did. And I think I accidentally dumped a bunch of the hot stuff into my sauce. So now my sauce is hot. Woo! Huh. Justin has gone to the bar where they have all of the different options, and he's having the waitress help us get a little bit more options. Our food selections. We have various kinds of mushrooms and vegetables and meats. Ooh, meatballs. I do not know what all this means. We have some sort of green sprout here, and we have mystery meat. That looks suspiciously like intestines or stomach or something, but we're gonna eat it. It's ham. It looks so weird. The sound effects in your head when you chew on the bean sprout.
It's weird, right?
It's really weird. It's fine, it tastes good. It's just chewing on it is an experience.
Chewy.
Ew.
Think of it like
It looks like a tongue. It's about like how you expect. Chewy noodle is actually chewy.
mushroom noodle.
Chewy mushroom noodle. It's okay. It's edible. The spiciness is delicious. But if you're not careful, it gets right up into your sinuses. And then you're sneezing the whole meal. So they count the sticks and then they write down how much it was. We need to talk about the most important aspect of our meal at this restaurant, whose name I cannot say. That beautiful meal you just saw was 96 yen, which is the equivalent of about $12 total.
Wow.
That meal cost us $6 per person. $6!
I bet you can find sweets and nuts.
Ooh, yeah, let's go find candy.